Assalamualaikum dear students. I am your English teacher Miss Rabia here and I welcome you in the series of English alphabets, their vocabulary words plus sounds. Let's start. Today's alphabet is I and I has E sound. I is a vowel letter and E is a vowel sound. Vowel letter has a vowel sound. I, E. I, E. Capital I, small I as in ink, E, ink, E, ink pot. I as in icons. Let's see the country's name. India. I as in Indonesia. I as in Iran. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.